How to join Shopify affiliate program. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have, and once you do that, search for Shopify affiliate program. Once you do that, click on the website, and here you will land on the Shopify affiliate program homepage. Click on the green button that says apply now, and it will redirect you to the page where you will be entering your infos and stuff like that. As you can see here, you will be able to sign up with the Shopify affiliate program, and you have a lot of fields. The first section is the information section, from which you need to enter your name, email, and username, password, etc. And then you will have the company information, from which you will be adding your address and stuff like that, and phone number, and your website. And thirdly, you'll have the promotional information, from which you will select what tools you will be using to promote the affiliate program. And here you will see the agreement section, from which they detail you and tells you what you will be earning and stuff like that, and the general terms that you will be agreeing to. And once you're done, enter all the information, click on sign up at the bottom, and you will be signed up to the Shopify affiliate program. So that was it for this video. That's how you can join the Shopify affiliate program. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.